In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Ethereum to your Cash App account. It's a simple process, but there are a few steps you'll need to follow carefully. So let's get started. First, open your Cash App on your phone. On the home screen, tap the icon that shows your balance or looks like a small house. This will take you to the main menu. Now, tap on the Bitcoin option. Cash App currently supports Bitcoin deposits, not Ethereum directly. So what you'll need to do is first convert your Ethereum into Bitcoin before sending it to Cash App. To do that, open your Ethereum wallet. This could be MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any other wallet you use. Inside your wallet, tap on Ethereum, then find the option that says Swap or Trade. In the Swap section, select Ethereum in the From field and Bitcoin in the To field. Enter the amount of Ethereum you'd like to convert and confirm the transaction. Wait a few minutes for the swap to complete. Once your Ethereum has been converted into Bitcoin, go back to your Bitcoin balance inside your wallet. Tap on the Send button. Now switch back to Cash App and tap Deposit Bitcoin. If it's your first time, Cash App may ask you to verify your identity. Just follow the instructions and complete that step. After verification, Cash App will show you your unique Bitcoin deposit address. Tap Copy Address. Now, return to your wallet and paste this address into the recipient field. Double-check that the address is correct. Never skip this part. Then, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send and tap Next or Confirm. Your Bitcoin will now be sent from your wallet to your Cash App account. The transfer usually takes a few minutes, depending on network speed. Once it's done, you'll see your Bitcoin appear in your Cash App balance. And that's it. That's how you send Ethereum to your Cash App account by first converting it into Bitcoin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.